Cryptocurrencies plunging right now. Kate Rooney joins us with more on this move lower, what is driving it, and how it relates to this new COVID variant that we're hearing about. Kate.
Hey, Andrew. Yeah, it does relate. It's really a macro-driven sell-off for Bitcoin this morning. The cryptocurrency dropping near $53,000. That's the lowest level we've seen since October. Bitcoin's now off by 20% from that all-time high of 69,000 it hit earlier in November. That move officially putting it in bear market territory. Since January, though, it's still up by more than 80%. Bitcoin is holding up better than some of those other coins. You look at Ether, Solana is down double digits today, XRP, all of those names in the red. And guys, this is really the same knee-jerk reaction that we're seeing in tech and some of the higher growth names. With news of that COVID variant, Bitcoin still seen as that riskier asset. The inflation and safe haven narratives really not sticking quite yet. Analysts are telling me that there are more algorithms now trading crypto. That makes some of these moves especially sharp, and there's leverage in crypto markets. That can exacerbate some of these moves. Finally, there is a $2.8 billion options expiration today. That could also be adding to some of the volatility. And short-term buyers have really been the drivers lately of this price action in Bitcoin. According to data from Glassnode, they might be underwater at these prices. 15% of all of the Bitcoin supply has a cost basis right now above $57,000. So those new buyers, they also might be more responsive to some of the price fluctuations based on where they got in. And they have less of a proven conviction in Bitcoin, so they might be quicker to sell. Andrew.
Kate, so you don't think this relates at all to what we're seeing in the broader markets right now in terms of this COVID variant?
No, I do. I think it's very much a macro-driven story. And the same thing, you're seeing knee-jerk reaction sell-off in tech and some of the higher growth assets. People are selling Bitcoin as a result. If they need liquidity, it's a liquid market. They look to Bitcoin and they sell off. And it's a very global market. So if you see overnight stocks selling off in Asia, Bitcoin tends to do the same.
And then real quick, in terms of resistance, there are some traders saying 53,000 is sort of the next stop on the train where there might be resistance. What do you think? What do you think?
That's the open question. Is this a new bear market? We've seen crypto winters before where the price drops by as much as 70 or 80%. Others are saying this is just a higher low. It looks to be finding a bottom here around 53,000. But I think that's still an open question.